into fourth, into third. Here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, a lot of fun to corner, a lot of fun. There we go. Plenty fast, plenty fast. Definitely a little bit of rotation. I think it's a lot of fun. It's entertaining, this car. Down into second, a little bit of braking, down into first. The one thing that is nice, the adjustable is the steering wheel. It comes out a long ways, eh? Legroom here is fantastic, much better than a Golf R. The nannies do shut it down pretty quick. Fortunately, if you turn the nannies off, you lose the rev matching too. I don't even know how the hell to turn the nannies off. Rev match down into third, rev match second, some pops and bangs, and it's definitely got some interventions kicking in. We got some nannies kicking in. Definitely more fun than Golf R. No ifs, ands, or buts. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. My final thoughts are coming up next, but before that, just a quick reminder, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and as always, comment below. The M2 is a pure driver's car, so much more fun than all-wheel drive competition. I love how that ascent starts squirming around when you're trying to put the power down. It feels exciting, you know? You just don't get that in an all-wheel drive car. It annoys me that the rev matching is tied to the stability control. What if I just want to switch off one of the systems while leaving the other system engaged? In my case, I would want to leave the rev matching on while switching off the stability control. The instrument cluster is too dark in the daytime, especially when you're wearing sunglasses. No, it's a real thing. Check the forums. However, they did fix that post-facelift as they went to a liquid crystal display. On the highway, you do get a fair amount of tire noise. It's not bad for a day trip, but if you're going to drive across the country, do bring a pair of earplugs. I would prefer a few more driver's aids, just like my Golf R has. I'm thinking specifically blind spot assist, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision alert, and you can't forget about Android Auto. I would cross shop a few other vehicles. The most direct competitor will be the 718 Cayman S and Cayman, but if you're willing to go a little bit bigger, which I think there's nothing wrong with that, because I think these suggestions are just as fun, maybe even more fun than M2. I would shop the AMG C63S and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Of course, you know, for the price comparison, some of those would have to be pre-owned. That's it. That's all I got. Thanks for joining Sunday Driver for another review. Thanks to my subscribers, and see you next time.